pronounce to you, I prophesy for you today, there is a sound of abundance. As you cross over to the next 6 months of the year, you are crossing down to abundance. You are crossing down to open door. In the name of Jesus Christ, listen. Prophetic word can counteract, can nullify, can cancel physical statement or economy. So I decree and declare in the name of Jesus Christ, whether the inflation is double digits, whether your inflation your economy is 40 digits, when men are saying there's a casting down, in the next system, you shall be there's a lifting. You shall be there's a lifting. You say there shall be a lifting. In the name of Jesus Christ. No. I don't care what the economy is saying. I don't care what they are saying in the economy. I don't care the World Bank projection. I don't care the IMF projection. It can be for everybody. But for you, it's a sound of abundance. For me, it's a sound of abundance.